Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been such a long time since I've been doing my my YouTube videos. So that's why we are going to be doing a slime review. Yay!
So this was my slime kit and I am going to be opening it. How exciting is that? Oh my gosh, look at all these stuff I got from my slime kit. And by the way, this is from Amazon, so there's a link below the description. And you can press on that link if you want this. And there's a lot more slime kits on Amazon if you just want to search it out. There's some animal stuff that we can change it out, but yeah. Even some glitter. Some sparks for the slime. More straws.
Now I'm just going to be showing you all the stuff I got in that Amazon package. So basically these are really cool slimes. And like they're the same color basically. They're 2 of each or maybe 3 sometimes for some. I have no idea. So okay, these stuff are really cool. And then these are basically my slimes with lots of colorful colors, all my slimes. And basically, yeah, those are all the slime. And then there are lots of cute stuff that you can keep in the slime. Not cute, but stuff. So there's these purple beads if you want it to be crunchy and everything. Not really crunchy, but you know. And there are even these cute little mini stuff. So for example, if you're playing like this, I'm keeping some mini tomato something. And basically these are like some cake holders, a cake holder, a wine cup, a ice cream cup, and basically, yeah. So those are all that stuff and everything. And there are these cute stuff that came with it. The top one is glitter. Bottom one just some sparks. Same with the third row. And maybe some heart designs and everything, diamond squares, anything. And I even got some knives with it if you're playing. Like, it's like playing stuff. And I got these cute animal stuff that you can shape it and everything.
It's not actually borax, it's glow-in-the-dark powder.
So now these are some blue beads and yellow and everything. I already showed you these. And then there are mini ones of this and big and huge ones. And there are these cute designs, like there's lime, tomato, apple, where you can keep all those stuff. There are even apple slices, and the butterflies, and there are even food. So those are all that stuff. And these are a few beads. All of these are beads. This. Ooh, and I forgot to mention this. It's like, it came with the slime kit and it's super cool. It's like so hard I can't mush it. It just stays solid.
It's actually petty, guys. You can't squish it right now because it's in a plastic bag.
forgot the name. Okay. So now there are these straws that came with it and everything. So I have been done showing you. I'm sorry. There are even these like golden sparks, green sparks, blue sparks, pink sparks, and all those are the big sparks. But these can come in a mini bottle. And yeah, basically but you see this clear slime? I am going to be doing a few stuff. Like Amazon packages, it's pretty hard to cut cardboard like that. So basically, I am gonna get maybe a few sharp things of these and try to, open that cover because I don't want to spill it everywhere and everything. So let's just make a hole in it, I guess. Okay, that didn't work. Ooh, never mind, there's a tear piece thing.
Much it can stretch. Well, that's a lot. Are you ready? Cool. It's like so stretchy. I could stretch it all day long. Now I just feel like cutting it, I guess. Here is my cutting skills. Okay.
Bye, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos.